again.
Today we're going to show you how to make this super cool and stretchy slime. We hope you enjoy. Hi. Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to make some super cool slime, and all you'll be needing is some Elmer's glue, some borax, some hand lotion, some warm and regular water, a pretty large bowl to mix, a spatula that can fit in here, the 1/2 cup measuring cup, some food coloring. You can use food coloring, but you don't have to. So, a 1 teaspoon measuring cup, and a measuring cup that you can stir, and it goes up to 1 cup. So first, you're going to take your bowl and add some warm water. Now I have 1 cup of warm water, and now we need 1 teaspoon of borax. And you're going to stir till it all dissolves. After it all dissolves, you're going to get your bowl and your Elmer's glue, and you're going to add 1/2 cup of Elmer's glue. And use your spatula to get it all out. Then you're going to take your water and you're going to get 1/2 cup of water. Good. It's good. You're going to dump it in. Then you're going to mix and add some lotion in. That's good. If you're wondering why you put the lotion in, it's to make the slime stretchy and make your hands feel nice when you use it. So now we're going to add 5 drops of food coloring in. And then stir it up. I'm going to add some more. And if it's not quite green yet, add a few more drops. Then you're going to pour your borax mixture into the bowl. And then start mixing. If your borax mixture is a bit too watery, just dump the extra water into the drain after your slime gets really slimy. Here's the fun part. After your slime is done, all mixed in, you're going to take your slime and start mixing it with your hands.
There's a lot of slime with this fancy, yeah.
Until it gets not too watery. And now you get to play with your slime.
Squishy.
So here's our slime all done. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe in the comments below. Bye!
Bye. That means yes.